In this video, I'm going to show you how to join your friend in Among Us. So first, once you open your Among Us as example, it's good as example to be signing into an account. So if somehow they are in your friend list, you'll be able to simply just go and click on them and join them. But if you don't have an account, it is completely fine as well. So basically, if your friend is the host, you can ask them for the 6-letter room code. As example, if I go and click on play and click on online, you can either enter a code or create a game or even find a game. For us, example, let's just say we create a game. Whatever the settings that you want, the region and stuff, make sure that you have just the same region and click on create a game. As an example, click on confirm. You can choose other settings like capacity and stuff. I will get here a room code. This room code, I can simply just go and copy it and send it to my friend. And when my friend come, as example, I'm just going to leave the game. They can click on play online and they can click on enter a code. Once they enter a code as example, they will be able to join my game. The same will be if I am not the host. If he's the host, he should give me the code. I can just go and enter it here, enter the code right here, as example, and click on join a game. As example, could not find any game because I just enter a random like code, but for you, it should be good to go and you'll be able to join the game. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.